Freedom Mobile Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Freedom Mobile plans and offers can be found in the description. Freedom Mobile is a Canadian wireless provider known for its affordable plans, large data offerings, and growing network. It primarily serves urban areas like Toronto, Vancouver, Calgary, and Edmonton, leveraging its own infrastructure alongside national roaming agreements for coverage in other regions. One of its standout features is the Big Gig plans, which offer large amounts of data at lower costs compared to the major carriers. It also provides unlimited Canada-wide calling and texting, along with international add-ons for frequent travelers. The carrier supports eSIM, VoLTE, and Wi-Fi calling, ensuring better connectivity, especially indoors. Freedom Mobile is best suited for budget-conscious users, students, and city dwellers who need high data at a lower price but don't require extensive rural coverage. Strengths include its competitive pricing, data-heavy plans, and improving network reliability, especially with the integration of select areas. However, weaknesses include weaker coverage in rural and remote areas, occasional network congestion, and limited device financing options compared to larger providers. Despite these drawbacks, for those living within Freedom's core coverage zones, the value is hard to beat. If you prioritize cost-effective data and are primarily in urban areas, Freedom Mobile is a solid option. Check out the links in the description for the latest plans and promotions.